guess we'd start another video there, because that one had to be getting pretty long. Yep. Never fails, there's always somebody gotta dump something back here. Yeah, this looks like it. There's some fairly good stuff in here too. I figured I'd film it this time because I couldn't remember which road the stuff was at. And, I think this is the road I was actually looking for in the first place. Oh, here's the birch there. Yeah, it's little stuff. It's not much good for anybody else. It's perfect for me. Oh, I think that's the end of the road there. Yeah, it is. Well, I can smell the old gasifier there. We're just pulling that hill pretty hard there. Yeah, one of these days I'll get around to putting a mount on this here. Make driving a little bit easier. Yeah, I'll definitely come back. I forgot how much birch there was back here. Excellent. Yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier with the cedar being fairly finicky. I should actually be stopping pretty soon and giving it a stir or just checking on it. You don't go far without having to do something with it. But I think I'm going to try and make it all the way home and see what happens. The controls are pretty much where they normally are. So, and when I goose it, it goes rich. So. It out a little bit there. I richened it up a while back to get up that hill, and I kind of left it that way for no good reason. Yeah, there's some stuff worth coming back for here as well. Wonder how the load is back there. I don't see nothing falling off. Yeah, usually in the bush roads here, I just leave in first gear, keep it wound up. Seems to keep things happy. I'm always, you know, kind of paranoid about making tar, because I do, you know, my restrictions a bit big and spacing's a bit much for this kind of driving, so I do need to keep it wound up somewhat. Well, that's pretty close right there. You know how that stuff is. I really would have liked to got to that last fall, but things didn't work out that way. So this is the last turn before well, this will be pretty much straight into home now. Pretty good wind went through here, knocked some stuff down. Just keep waiting for that doggone tree to let go. When I'm walking underneath it, I'm kind of like, I step it up a little bit, saying, yep, best keep moving. Yeah, I'm gonna have to be nice to the truck there and do a bunch of work on it. Being as how it's running good, I think I want to keep it around for a while longer, so till I can get the next one. Just really reluctant to do a bunch more work on this one because I'm just gonna have to swap it all over to the next truck, so kind of been holding off on things. Like Carl gave me them vacuum gauges and just kind of, you know, put it all on just to take it off again. I think my O2 sensor is getting tired or something, because after it's really warmed up it seems to work fine, but you know, up until about 15 minutes or so, 20 minutes of driving, it's pretty funky. So I'm assuming it's the O2 sensor, not the, you know, the AFR gauge itself. Oh yeah. This gas, this trip is on wood gas or it's not. If I run out of gas, I'm screwed. Well, there's a, what do you call it? That's faith for you. Sure glad I didn't have to walk back. Yeah, there's no way I'd have made it home on what's in there. Interest y'all on a used car? Needs a bit of work. Somebody turned around there. So this is the road I used to take the tractor on all the time. I think I might have taken some video on with that there. This is the one that's right back of the house here. I don't have to get on the highway or nothing to go here. It's pretty cool. Here's the one gooey spot. I gotta get off to the right here so I don't get into it. There we go. I must be running out of memory pretty soon here. This is way long, 2 videos. So this is coming in the back end of the little town I live in. Oh, here we are at the palace. Wood, and more wood. Don't think I'll even bother unloading this today. Kind of hard to back up and film at the same time. As much junk is scattered through the yard here too that it's kind of... Where do I put it? Making old man noises in the video. So here we are.